Hello students, next we'll learn the second illustration relating to composite supply and mixed supply. See the question, I'll read out the question. First one, supply of goods, packing material, transport and insurance. Supply of Diwali gift box consisting of canned food, sweets, cakes and aerated drinks. Supply of toothpaste with brush. Supply of shaving cream and razor. Supply of laptop, mouse and keyboard. Painting of building. Combo pack of Santosh soap with and hand wash. Buy 2 soaps and get 250 ml juice bottle. Installation of plant, fixing rear mirror to car, supply of coconut oil with cans, erection of machinery and warranty. So we have to identify which are composite supply and which are mixed supply. So now we'll see one by one. First one, supply of goods, packing material, transport and insurance. So this is a composite supply. So this packing material, transportation and insurance cannot be possible without the supply of goods. So it's nothing but they are naturally bundled, cannot be sold separately. It is a composite supply. Next, supply of Diwali gift box consisting of canned food, sweets, cakes and aerated drinks. So these in this supply of Diwali gift box, these food, sweets, cakes can be sold separately. Means we can purchase it also, can be sold separately. So it is a mixed supply, it is not a naturally bundled. So this is under mixed supply. Next, supply of toothpaste and brush. So toothpaste and brush can be sold separately, so it is mixed supply. Supply of shaving cream and razor. So this is also shaving cream and razor can be sold separately, it is not naturally bundled, so mixed supply. Supply of laptop, mouse and keyboard is a mixed supply. So for the laptop, mouse and keyboard is a mixed supply. If it is computer, mouse and keyboard, then it is composite supply. If it laptop, mouse and keyboard are, for the laptop, mouse and keyboard is a mixed supply, it is not a naturally bundled. Next, painting of building. So it is composite supply. So painting is not possible without this building. So that is composite supply. Next, combo packs of Santosh soap and hand wash. So Santosh soap and hand wash is a mixed supply, it can be sold separately. Buy 2 soaps and get 250 ml juice bottle. So 2 soaps and juice bottle can be sold separately, so it is a mixed supply. Installation of plant. So installation of plant is a composite supply. So without plant we cannot do the installation. Next, fixing rear mirror to car is also a composite supply. So without this car we cannot fix the rear mirror to car. Next, supply of coconut oil with the cans. So these are composite supply. Coconut oil cannot be supplied without cans, so it is a composite supply. Erection of machinery and warranty. So erection means the assembling, installation of machinery, means warranty is given only with the installation or assembly of machinery. So this is about composite supply. So try to do the solution by yourself. Next we will see the third illustration. Classify the following supplies into composite supply and mixed supply. Under that, first one, restaurant with lodging, supply of coconut oils with cans, supply of car and vehicle insurance, supply of laptop with the bag, air transport and food on board, combination of hotel accommodation, auditorium and food. 5-star hotels often provides free laundry services on staying at hotel. Booking Rajdhani train ticket which includes meals. Supply of bricks, cement, sand along with services of laborers, engineers, architects to construct a building. Buy detergent and get bucket free. So now we'll see one by one. Restaurant with the lodging. So here this is a composite supply. Lodging, we cannot stay in a lodge without a restaurant, so this is a composite supply, naturally bundled. Supply of coconut oil with the cans is a composite supply. So oil cannot be sold supplied without cans. Supply of car and vehicle insurance is a mixed supply, it is not a composite supply, it is mixed supply. Means vehicle insurance here can be taken separately after purchasing of car also. So it is a mixed supply, not a composite supply. Supply of laptop and bag is a composite supply. Laptop with the bag is a composite supply. It is naturally bundled, laptop and bag. If they ask computer and with the bag, then it is mixed supply. For computer, bag is a mixed supply. It is not a naturally bundled. So if it is computer with the bag, it is a mixed supply. Laptop with the bag is a composite supply. Next, air transport and food on board. So food on board is not possible without air transport. So that is a composite supply. Combination of hotel accommodation, auditorium and food. So these accommodation, auditorium and taking of food is a composite supply. We cannot stay in the auditorium or we cannot have food without this hotel accommodation. Next, 5-star hotel often provide 5-star hotel often provide free laundry services on staying at a hotel. So this free laundry service is possible only if you stay in the 5-star hotel. So it is a composite supply. Booking Rajdhani train ticket and which includes meal. So this is a composite supply. Booking with Rajdhani train ticket which includes meals is a composite supply. Without train ticket we cannot have a meal there. Then supply of bricks, cement, sand along with the services of laborer, engineers and architect to construct a building is composite supply. So the construction of building is possible only on this. These are the composite supply. We cannot construct a building only with the bricks. So cement, sand and the services of these are the composite supply. To construct a building is a composite supply. Next, buy detergent, get a bucket free. So the detergent and bucket, so mixed supply it is. So this is about this illustration. So try to work out here. Only 2 are the mixed supply, remaining are composite supply. So try to work out this illustration.